Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video you guys can already tell, like, no makeup, looking a bit raggedy. That means it's wash day. Nobody looks cute on wash day, so why must I start off looking cute so I can ruin my makeup? No! So we're gonna start like this and then maybe put on makeup after this if time allows. I'm starting this video quite late, so you guys can already tell by the title I am going to be reviewing AFRITRUE. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Okay, so I went to Clicks the other day after my little rant in my previous video about prices, and this is a brand that you guys have recommended, suggested previously, and I've just not really looked at it because I feel like, you know, sometimes when you're a content creator, you want to create content that is fresh, especially if there are new brands in the street. You want to be the one to have a first say, you know, review and all that kind of stuff. But I decided to go back because I was complaining about price. I decided to go extremely like cheap, if I could say that, compared to what I normally buy. So this is very, very cheap and affordable. So the deep conditioner, okay, the shampoo cost, this is a 250ml, so it's a cup, okay, in case you don't know meals, it's the size of a cup. It was 37.99, so 38 rand. I have never bought a shampoo for 38 rand. This is the first time in my whole life as an individual and I bought a shampoo that cost 38 rand in 2022. Wow. And then I also bought the ultra nourishing deep conditioner. It's a deep conditioning treatment from AFRITRUE, and the conditioner is also 250ml as the size, and it cost 49.99. So everything, honestly speaking, was less than 100 rand if I just bought this on that specific day. So we got a deep conditioner and a shampoo. So you guys must let me know if there are girls, you know, in uni. I know I have some uni students watching me. If you guys have used it, and if you have, please let me know in the comment section. So I don't want to make this video too long. In today's wash day, we're going to be doing things a little bit different. So I'm first going to start by taking down my hair, just to show you guys the state in which my hair is in. You know, my roots, I have some dandruff, a little bit, just some flakes, you know, nothing excessive. And I've not been using oils, you guys. I don't know why, I've just not been using them, and I like how my hair feels. Like, my hair strands are looking very shiny and healthy, and my ends are looking raggedy as always. I have to do better this winter. And then we're going to pre-poo. I'm going to not leave, you know, the pre-poo overnight this time. I'm just going to pre-poo, wash my hair, and get on with the day, you know. And this is how my hair looks after I've applied some coconut oil. You guys know I love coconut oil as a pre-poo, not as an oil that I leave in my hair. And then I'm going to sit under the hood to dry it, just so, you know, the spirits of the coconut oil can do what they need to do for about 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you know, just depends. And then once that's done, this is how my hair look like. You see that it has soaked into my hair. It's very nice. My hair is feeling like it's ready to get washed, and it's, you know, and I do this. So the reason why you must pre-poo, you guys, is just so that you don't have to suffer from hydro fatigue. All right, then we're gonna move into shampooing. Loved how it smelled like. I was actually quite happy with how my hair was feeling. My hair felt very, very soft with this shampoo on my head, and I really enjoyed using it. I didn't use any other shampoo. I only used it by itself. You guys know I normally shampoo twice using two different brands. This time I decided just to use this, and I loved it. So I did shampoo twice, and then I rinsed off and then moved on to my deep conditioner. And that was also just amazing, you know. As an applicator, well, as I was applying it, it felt nice. And then after like 2 minutes or so, something crazy started happening to my hair. I'll show you guys in just a bit. But just, you know, slapping on the deep conditioner. And always, guys, please, I don't want to, you know, be repetitive, but you guys will see throughout the entire process of this video, I'm using my hooded dry because you cannot not use heat, you know. You have to, especially now that it's winter. So this is what the deep conditioner did to my hair. My hair was matting. I was so upset because I started with thoroughly detangled hair, because you guys did see that I pre-pooed my hair before I started my wash day, and you know, it's just easier that way, just so your hair, you know, is not tired from all the washing and the over manipulating on your wash day. And then always use heat when you're deep conditioning, please, I beg, especially now that we are approaching winter. Is because
I was able to tell you my work just now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's doing what a conditioner is supposed to do. Okay, so when I applied this conditioner on my hair, for some weird reason my hair became tangled. I showed you guys, and now with the heat, it has just done something. The heat has just made it cook somehow, and now it's like you can actually detangle your hair from here. Alrighty, you guys, so I just come from rinsing out this deep conditioner from AFRITRUE, right? So here's what I can tell you. They did say that it's gonna give us intense tingling. That's what it says. Yeah, that's the second line. It says intense tingling, 100%, right? So I think they probably put in some peppermint, menthol, spearmint, mint, something that gives your hair, scalp, a tingling sensation. So that's what they used in there. So I'm first going to address the things that I like, right, about the conditioner. It smells great, it's affordable, and it does what a deep conditioner is supposed to do, right? However, now these are my disadvantages of the deep conditioner. My hair was thoroughly detangled from the get-go, okay? Like, my hair was very detangled, and I slapped this deep conditioner on and my hair tangled up. I don't know, and I feel like this is the second time. No. The first time this happened to my hair, I think it's when I used some weird clarifying shampoo and my hair just matted. And I think that's what happened also with this deep conditioner. So cool, whatever. I obviously didn't detangle my hair because I was just going to end up breaking my hair because it was not providing me slip. As a matter of fact, it was doing the opposite by tangling my hair up. So then I decided to obviously always wear your hooded dryer, and that's when the deep conditioner kind of came to life. So I highly suggest, if you're going to be buying this conditioner, make sure that you're using it with heat. As a matter of fact, any type of deep conditioner that you're going to be using, always get you like some sort of heat on your hair, whether it's a plastic bag, with a warm towel or something. Just use some sort of heat, because that's only then you will only be able to get all of the ingredients into your hair, and your hair's just gonna soak it up with heat. Okay, the heat kind of activates the spirits, okay, of the deep conditioner, and then you'll be able to, you know, get the most out of it. And then I give it like a 6 out of 10. Like I said, I have used better conditioners, you know. Would I buy it again? I think no, I wouldn't buy it again. I wouldn't buy this deep conditioner again. However, I think if you have a hair type that's different from mine, like maybe 3C, 4A, 4B, you can get away with this. But I don't know how I feel for my 4C girls. Also, the conditioner, like in front of my hair, you guys know my hair is not the same throughout, but in front my hair felt more conditioned than the back. So that's what I mean when I say I think maybe if you have a less, like a looser curl pattern, then you can maybe get away with buying this conditioner. I do recommend it 100%. I think I have reviewed some conditioners that just was a no-no for me. However, with this one, you know, like, should all of the conditioners be out of stock and there was this one left, I wouldn't mind buying it. You get what I mean? It does the work. It smells great. And then coming to the shampoo, I loved the shampoo. Would I rebuy? 100%. That is, I think it's been a while since I've used a well-balanced shampoo. My scalp was clean and my hair felt moisturized. My hair felt very soft. Even after rinsing it, my hair was just like happy. I was shocked. I loved the shampoo. So the shampoo, 10 out of 10. You can buy the shampoo if you've been struggling to find a good shampoo. So those are my final thoughts. My scalp feels extremely clean, and my hair strands feel also like squeaky clean, but not stripped. So I'm quite happy with that. So the deep conditioner doesn't strip your hair. So that's what I'm saying, like, in terms of what a conditioner is supposed to do, the basics of it, I give it a 6 out of 10, like I said. But in terms of it, you know, being moisturizing, giving you like intense slip, especially for someone maybe who does not have access to heat, I don't think this deep conditioner is gonna be like the one for you. Yeah, man, but always, anytime you're using a deep conditioner, just use heat. And I hope you guys, oh, and also you guys saw my hair looked so nice when I was pre-pooing. So I don't want to make this video too long because I feel like it's already long enough, but I just wanted to give you guys a proper thorough review at the end of the day. I hope you guys must also say which other brands I should try. I hope that you guys liked it. So I'll definitely see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.